So karon na nata sa chapter 11 which is all about dancing schools, dance halls, and nightclubs. So this chapter talks about entertainment and nightlife establishments. So these places have close human contact and nighttime activities. So proper sanitation is critical na. So general provisions and examples ani nila na Japon diri. So first is letter A. These establishments shall be operated and open for public patronage only when a sanitary permit is issued by the local health authority. So, so again, sanitary permit so must be obtained before operation like all establishments. So example Japan is a dance school must get a permit to ensure that place is inspected and safe. Ana. Dili pwede nga mag-open lang basta-basta like all establishment. Dapat mo agi jud na sa inspection. Dapat mas ma-inspect una ang health sa office. Ana. Next. So, next is this establishment and the premises shall be kept clean and sanitary at all times. So the establishment should be kept clean, ana. So example ana is dance hall should have clean floors and restrooms daily since many people sweat and spill drinks. Ana. So next is letter C. Patrons shall be provided with adequate potable water and toilet facilities in accordance with the standards prescribed by the code. So, in short, there should be potable water in clean toilets for patrons, especially sa inani nga kuan nga establishment nga halusa kay naay mga drinks ana. So, na dunay mga dapat na dunay potable water. Next is letter D. There shall be no private rooms or separate compartments for public use except those used for laboratories, dressing rooms, and bars and kitchens. So in short lang, not allowed for public use except for specific areas like dressing rooms or bars. So reason lang jud ani is it is to prevent illegal activities and ensures public transparency. Na. So next is special provisions. So, naay mga special provisions ning chapter. So, the following provisions are applicable in cases herein specified. So, kani, letter A, for dancing schools. Pero before anak, kay overall, kaning special provisions, kay kani, this section emphasized that everyone working in dancing schools, dance halls, or nightclubs must first obtain a valid health certificate before they can be hired. Applicable na siya sa tanan mga employees nga ga-handle og mga pagkaon ana. So the rule applies to all employees such as instructors, hostess, cooks, bartenders, and waiters. So pasabot ani nga balaod mao nga dili pwede makatrabaho sa mga dancing schools or nightclubs kung walay health certificate. Kinahanglan una ma-examine sa mga doktor aron masuguro na wala sila'y sakit nga ginadala nga makatakod ug fit sila physically sa ilahang trabaho. Ana. So kani, letter A for dancing schools, no person shall be employed as a dancing instructor or instructress without first securing a health certificate from the local authority. So same Japan. So this means that all dancing teachers or instructors must undergo medical examination and obtain health certificate before being followed to students. So reason ana is dance instructors have close physical contact with students and are in constant indoor interaction. So it is important that they are free from communicable diseases. So example ani is in a dance studio offering Zumba or ballroom lessons, every instructor must have a health certificate issued by the city health office before teaching. So ang mga dance instructor kinahanglan ipa-check up sa doktor una before magtudlo. Kung kay kung naay sakit na siya nga makatakod, basin maapektuhan ang mga estudyante. Importante nga himsog ug walay sakit ang magtudlok sa sayaw. So, usually, health certificates are usually renewed every 6 months or yearly to ensure that kaning isa ka person remains healthy to work. Ana. So, next is kanang letter B for dance halls and nightclubs. So, kanina siya duha ka book. First is number 1. No person shall be employed as hostess or cook, bartender, or waiter without first securing a health certificate from the local health authority. So, this means nga that everyone working in this establishment, whether they serve food, prepare drinks, or maintain guests, must first get a health certificate. So, same Japan. Example, anak, kay before a bartender starts working in nightclub, again, he must undergo medical screening like chest x-ray, stool test, or blood test to make sure that he doesn't carry any communicable diseases, anak. So, bisan pa manlain-lain ang trabaho, kung magluto, magsilbi, or mag-serve sa customer, parehas Japon na kailangan na ay health certificate. Ang health certificate nagsiguro na himsot ug luwas sa sakit ang empleyado. Ana. Next, number 2, the storage, preparation, and serving of food and drinks shall be in accordance with the provisions prescribed in the chapter 3 of this code. Kuan kanam kani siya nga kuan provision kay chapter 3 of sanitation code is about food establishment, so it sets the standards for handling, storing, and serving food beverages safely. So in nightclubs or dance halls that also serve food and drinks, the management must ensure the following. So number 1, proper food storage. So like example, raw and cooked food must be kept separate to prevent contamination. Refrigerators must maintain the right temperature. Ana. Next is clean preparation area. So food should be prepared in a clean kitchen with washable surfaces and no pests. Ana. Example ana is kitchen, counters, and utensils should be disinfected daily. Ana. Number 3. Number 3 is safe serving practices. So waiters and bartenders should serve food and drinks hygienically using clean glasses and utensils, so drinks should be not left open or contaminated. Ang pagkaon ug ininom dapat ihatag sa customer og limpyo. Ang baso ug plato dapat limpyo gyapon, dapat fermented jud na siya. Ana. So kani siya nga chapter kay na all about health certificate. So unsay importance aning health certificate? So naa siya mga key reasons. So number 1 is to protect public health. So workers handle food, drinks, or have direct contact with guests, so they could spread diseases if sick. Kung ang nagluto o nag-serve adunay sakit, dali ra maapektuhan ang mga customer. To ensure safety and sanitation, so health certificate guarantee that all employees are physically fit and disease-free. Number 3 is to comply with government standards. So the health certificate shows that the establishment follows legal sanitation requirements. Number 4, lastly, is to promote trust and professionalism. Customers feel safer knowing that the staff are medically cleared. So in summary, kani nga siya nga chapter 11 ensures that entertainment areas are fun but also clean, healthy, and safe for both staff and customers.